There is a flower, not only beautiful in color, but also deep and comforting in fragrance. The rose, a symbol of love, pride, and sometimes secret feelings. Before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Leave a comment and share your location. And if you love roses as much as I do, please subscribe so every time a rose blooms, we can meet here again. Today I will show you, step by step, how to propagate roses using simple, natural methods that you can do at home. Step 1. Choosing the branch. Pick a healthy rose branch, about 15 centimeters long. Remove all the leaves from the stem, but keep the young tip if it's fresh. Just as people need to let go of worries to begin a new journey, a branch must be light and clean to grow strong roots. Step 2. The garlic preparation. Take 1 clove of garlic, peel it, make a small hole, and gently insert the base of the rose cutting. Rub it around the cut end. Garlic is not only a spice, it's nature's own medicine, fighting bacteria, stopping fungus, and waking up sleeping cells at the base. Then take 3 more cloves of garlic, peel, chop them, and put them in a small plastic cup. Step 3. Adding lemon and rice. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Rice will ferment slightly, feeding and encouraging root growth like a quiet stream nourishing the soil. Cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice into the garlic cup. Lemon disinfects and gives the stem extra strength, like morning sunlight breaking through the fog. Step 4. Making the solution. Add about 50 milliliters of clean water. Stir well. Garlic, lemon, rice. Together, they form a magical mixture. A touch of protection, a spark of life, and gentle, steady nourishment. Place the rose cutting in this solution for about 15 minutes. Step 5. Aloe Vera care. After soaking, strain the liquid and keep the clear water. Take a piece of aloe vera, make a small hole, and insert the base of the rose cutting. Aloe vera is cooling, antibacterial, and full of moisture, like a soft embrace, protecting the tender stem and feeding it silently. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Step 6. Setting up the rooting bag. Pour the prepared solution into a small, transparent plastic bag. Place the rose cutting inside with about half of it sticking out. Tie the bag tightly around the stem. This keeps the humidity perfect, not too dry, not too wet, like a soft cradle for new life. Put the small bag into a plastic cup. Cover the whole thing with another plastic bag and tie it tightly. Place it in a cool, shaded spot, away from direct sunlight. Step 7. Signs of life. After 5 days, you'll see tiny droplets of water inside the bag, a beautiful sign that life has begun inside. Root cells are awakening and young buds are whispering to the sun. Step 8. The first sprout. Open the bag gently and look. A small proud bud, pure like the first morning dew. From simple things, garlic, rice, lemon, aloe vera, a rose has been reborn. Step 9. Checking the roots. Cut open the plastic bag and check. White, tender roots, holding onto the stem like tiny fingers holding a mother's hand. This means our method worked. You can try the same with bougainvillea, hydrangea, peonies, and other softwood plants. Step 10. Planting in coconut fiber. Prepare moist coconut fiber. It holds water well and hugs the roots gently, like a mother's heart holding her child. Closing words. Thank you for joining me on this gentle journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, or share it with someone who loves flowers. And don't forget to subscribe to Beautiful Rose Garden, so next time, we can grow something beautiful together.